With OpenAI Codex, you can launch faster by running multiple coding agents at the same time. To get started, go to chatgpt.com/codex and click to connect your GitHub repo. You can prompt Codex by asking a question or requesting some code. I'll start by asking for an orientation guide to this project. I'll also ask it to look for some bugs. Each time I prompt Codex, it spins up an environment that pulls down my code, installs dependencies, and lets the coding agent get to work. This lets me run many tasks in parallel, even generating different versions of the same one. I'll also ask Codex to implement dark mode and add a CSV download button for our task list. While those run, I can return to my IDE or take a break. In the background, Codex reads files, writes code, and runs tests. To generate our orientation guide, it searched the project to summarize the structure for me. Once our task is done, we get a detailed description of the repository's structure that'll help us onboard. Codex can also suggest follow-up tasks. During the bug search, it found some fixes. I'll launch those now so Codex can work on them. You can give Codex extra context by adding an agent's MD file to your project. Codex will always check this file when it runs. For example, in this section, we've given it instructions about how to test its changes. When Codex finishes a coding task, it gives a summary of the tests that it ran, along with a diff for me to review. I can send a follow-up message, copy the diff as a Git patch and run it locally, or submit it as a PR. That's a quick look at running coding agents in parallel with OpenAI Codex. It's a great way to delegate coding tasks so that you can focus on your work. Try it at chatgpt.com/codex.